and assembly during malfunction, and weapon maintenance during time of low visibility, in the fastest time available, in real time like you are going to see. The Chief Empire First Sergeant Lincoln Rowers, Army Ranger, is now blindfolding the soldiers himself.
I love the AR-56. That's my weapon. That's
The Chief Empire is inspecting all weapons and make sure they are functional.
Alright, listen up. On the command board, you begin and disassemble your weapons, arrange parts chronologically, ensure that concentrates completed after disassembly. Get ready!
fire too.
Get set! Go! Seconds!
10 seconds.
17 seconds!
This officer.
25 seconds!
25 seconds.
32 seconds! 40 seconds! 48 seconds!
That's more thing. He had a tough competition. Like I understand, very tough for him.
185 seconds!
Very impressive. That's training.
But the pistol is harder than the AK.
Ladies and gentlemen,
The pistol fast.
this concludes the 63rd Armed Forces Weapon Proficiency Competition. And the winners from both categories are the unfolded TT-33 category, Staff Sergeant Sonny Abraham for 1st Battalion with the fastest time of 27 seconds.
27 seconds.
In the blindfolded category with the AK-47, we have Corporal Winston George for 2nd Battalion with the fastest time of 38 seconds.